going on, y'all? So I'm going to Destin. My main goal this trip is just to catch a monster shark. I have a Jack Crevalle left over that I caught in Lake Pontchartrain that unfortunately died, but I think it'll make some great shark baits. So we're gonna get out that for some monsters and then also try to catch some ladyfish, Spanish mackerel, stuff like that. And yeah, let's just see what we can catch. Alrighty guys, finally, after getting hit by many waves and losing the bait in the water and kayaking the bait out, I'm trying to get probably about 100 yards past the sandbar. It's about 400 yards out. Let's see if we can do it. I have a pin center at 12-aught, so it's only got, I think, 40 pounds of drag, so we're being pretty risky doing that, but we'll see what happens. Let's try to catch a monster tonight. Some big needlefish. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, he's trying to hit my paddle. Let's go ahead and drop this. Here we go. Weight is down. Bait is down. All right. Now the goal is to get back to that rod as fast as humanly possible because I don't want a shark to take it while I'm gone. So let's hustle. Down 3 flights of stairs. Worst part about shark fishing is getting the kayak up and down the stairs. I lost my spider weight that I've been using, so I got a rock. Hopefully that'll keep it on the bottom. I think it should. Alrighty, that is the bait we're putting out, guys. Huge chunk of Jack Crevalle. Oh yeah, baby, check that out. Oh, holy needlefish, guys, look at those. Wow. Look at those dudes. I might be able to grab them. Look at them, look at them. That's so great. I think I'm tripping myself out, man. Y'all, there's a swarm of freaking jellyfish out here. Look at that. Wow. All right, let's drop this down. Not a fan of these waves. There's a good chance that I will flip coming in. But that's okay, as long as we're close to the shore and I'm in water that I can stand in. Oh, there's needlefish everywhere. They're freaking me out. Oh, he jumped in the boat. He jumped in the boat. What the heck? There we go. Fish on. A small fish, but it is a fish. Oh, no way! A Spanish mackerel. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh. Oh, he came off. That's all right. Got on video. There we go, big fish. Yes. Probably ladyfish. Ah. I think it's a ladyfish. No! Oh, it is a ladyfish. I thought it was a jack for a second. Spanish mackerel, baby. What is that? Giant sea turtle. Giant sea turtle. Look at that. Look at that dude. Look at this guy. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Whoa. Dude. Oh. Look at that turtle. He doesn't even see me. He doesn't even see me. He doesn't even see me. Look at you. What a cool creature. I touched him. I touched him. Where is he? I think he went down. Yeah, that is directly below me. I don't know where he went. That was so cool. Oh, awesome. Alrighty, you guys, super long trip. I shark fished, I think, a total of 14 hours without a single bite. And I think that may be the worst luck I've had shark fishing. I don't know why the sharks weren't biting, but I mean, it is what it is. I was still on the beach, had a good time, and I managed to catch some ladyfish and mackerel. So those are always fun. But overall, I think the coolest thing was seeing that sea turtle. That was awesome. I've seen tons of sea turtles and touched them before, but seeing one at night on the kayak when I didn't know what it was pretty crazy, and it was a huge one. I've seen plenty of sea turtles on kayaks before, but for some reason I did not expect it, going in and out really quick to drop a shark bait. But as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next fishing video.